Hey everybody, Lance Finucci here with MarineMax, Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're taking a little break from the rain, even though it's cloudy, and we're taking a look at the brand new Harris Sunliner 210 Tri-toon. This boat has a 115 Mercury engine on the back, has the triple tunes, 22 feet long, 8 feet 6 inches wide. Let's climb aboard and take a look at some of the features. Here we are on the boat, and like all Harris pontoons, one of the great things about this boat is the Mercury engine has a 3-year warranty, 3-year anti-corrosion warranty. The boat itself, pretty much everything under our feet, has a limited lifetime warranty. Everything above our feet, 5 years bow to stern. Everything is covered. The only exception with that is the electronics that are on the boat, and the electronics here are actually a brand new Simrad 5-inch that's on the helm, and we'll take a closer look at that in a minute, and the Fusion stereo system. Here, as you can see from just taking a look around, lots of space. This Harris pontoon actually has the sun recliner on the back with storage for just about anything that you could fit in there. In this one actually comes with complete covers for the pontoon. It also has the bumpers and covers for the helm as well, and those are optional armrests that you have in there additionally. Moving forward to the helm, you can see all the controls. That's the Simrad and the Fusion stereo system right there. You also have all the meters right in front of you. Stainless steel steering wheel. Moving to the front, just like all Harris's, you have plenty of storage. However, this feature is actually brand new for 2019. You have a floor locker actually right in the center pontoon. A lot of room in there for anything you need, whether it's going to be skis or any kind of other equipment. Seating's very comfortable with that natural almond color. And the brand new flooring for 2019 is non-skid. And it's very easy to clean. That helm seat, once again, very comfortable. Nice padding, and you also have the bolster pad right here. So if you did want to get a little bit higher when you're driving the boat, you can certainly do that as well. This Harris comes with the 10-foot Bimini top on it that can open up and look just like the Biminis on our other pontoons here at MarineMax. If you have any questions, please just give us a call here at MarineMax. My name is Lance Finucci, and we'd all be happy to help you. You have a wonderful day, and thank you for taking a look at our Harris.